presence within me, recognizes the presence within you. What's going on in your world? Cool. So the true nature of reality can only be accessed in the moment. Excuse me. And actually, the moment's sort of illusory as well, because as soon as the moment's noticed, it's gone. But when you or I are fully all the way here, present in this moment, we are outside of space-time. And there's absolutely nothing going on. And at the same time, there's a whole lot of stuff going on too, because when we access total reality, I'm going to refer to that as the absolute and beyond. The absolute is a moment of which is available at all times, because it's what we are. So there are no qualities in this experience. It's beyond the universe. It created the universe. There's no location. It's in a space of non-location. So in any direction that you go, it would carry on and it would never end. And then on the inverse side of that, if you were to capture all of the space and all of the time, and you were able to place it into a little ball, and then make the ball smaller and bring it in smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and then you began to split it in half, and split it in half again, and split it in half again, that would never end. And the nature of reality is beyond all of that. The human being is so small that it would be smaller than one grain of sand out of all of the sand that there is. And the human being is so infinite that at the same time, the entire universe and beyond, all multiverses, everything that has ever been created is also contained within the human being. So we are fully human and fully divine simultaneously. The only way to access that which you are, for that to be realized within you, is to continue to effortlessly, gently, kindly shift the attention to appreciation. Is a beautiful way to do that. Just appreciate the candle, the loved ones, the trees. Life force, energy is flowing through all of these things, and the life force energy is you. This is available always. It's available always. So let's do a little bit of practice, just a couple of minutes, and then when the video ends, I encourage you to keep going for a while. Just take a breath with me, let it out. Maybe shake it out a little bit. Shake, rattle, and roll. Another breath. Exhale. Maybe take your eyes to a soft gaze or close them. Perfect, beautiful. Now let's just simply shift our attention to appreciation for this moment. Appreciation for life in this moment, exactly as it is, and then just let that go. All thoughts are welcome. All feelings are to be embraced.